Statistics and probability. Statistics is the study of data. So we collect some data and we study the data. Suppose we are to study some age of a section of people, and for this we need to find age of every individual, and this data we say usually xi. So first person, age of one person is x1, age of another person is x2, like that. And for this collection we have to find some measures. We say this measures of central tendency. And these measures of central tendencies are mean, median and mode. So this mean, median, mode, this is formula for mean. Mean is, so add all this xi divide by number of observation. This is for ungrouped data. And when we form frequency distribution table, so we make some classes and respective frequency, and we have got all this in school syllabus. You studied about frequency distribution tables. So these frequencies and respective these x's are those mid values of the classes, and this is the formula for group data. This for frequency distribution table, and this is for when we only see the individual values x1, x2, etc. And this is the formula. Xi is mid value of classes, n is summation fi. And other formula, these are also we will have the same values. Mean x bar is this, and another is formula. So any one you can find for group data, and we get the same values. This is mean. And then median. Median is for ungrouped data. This is median. This is formula for median. If we have n is we need to arrange in order magnitude. Suppose number of observation is 7, then we take the fourth value. We arrange in order magnitude. Suppose 3, 6, 9, 11, 15 in ascending order, and then this. So if n is 7, then we take the fourth one, and if n is even, so 8, then we add fourth and fifth value and divide by 2, that is median. And for group data, this is the formula. And for mode is the greatest frequency, the value of the greatest frequency. And for group data, this is the formula, where C is model class with maximum frequency, and there is some empirical relation between mean, median and mode, and it is mean minus mode is equal to 3 into mean minus median. We have some approximate value for this. If we know mean and mode, we can find an approximate value for median, like that. Now let's see the example. So find all measures of central tendency for the following distribution of scores. So this is group data, frequency distribution table. So all measures means we need to find mean, median and mode. So for mean, our formula is this one. For mean, our formula is any 3 you can try. Any 3 will have the same value. So if for this one x bar is So xi are mid value of classes. So we find xi. So xi, so this is class, and xi are these are mid value. So it is 3 here, 1 plus 5. So 1 2 3 4 5, and mid one is third one, so it is 3. Then 6 7 8 9 10, so mid one is 8 1. Then 13 18, and it is 23. These are xi. Because it is frequency distribution table, so class intervals, mid value of classes are xi. These are frequency fi. And for the first formula, we need summation fi xi one column. So fi xi. So you make this column, and this fi. So 4 into respective xi is 3, it is 12. Then 12 into 8, it is 96. Then 16 into 13, it is 8208. And 7 into 8, it is 6. Then 126. And 3 into 23, it is 69. And summation fi xi, what we have? Summation fi xi is added, it is 220, then 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 6 22, 22 plus 9, it is 31, and this 1, then 3 comes out 9, then 21, 9 plus 12 is 21, 21 plus 20 41, 41 plus 10 51, so 511. And x bar is 511 by total summation fi is what? Summation fi is, sum of this, it is 10 plus 20 30 42, so 42. So n is 42. So this is our mean. So using this formula. Then if we consider second formula, then second formula it is, so for that we need D1a, assumed mean. This one, this is a we need. So a is a value in between this x. So these are x. So from 3 to 23, we choose one value a. So let us write a as a is equal to, say, 13. Then our d is now, so we need to find di. So di, so 3 minus 13 is minus 10. Then 8 minus 13 is minus 5. Then 0. Then 5, and it is 10. Now we need fi di. So fi di we need. So fi di, we'll write here di, fi into di. So fi di is, so 4 into minus 10, it is minus 40. 12 into minus 5, it is minus 60. 16 into 0, it is 0. 7 into 5, it is 35. 3 into 10, it is 30. and summation fi di, we have summation fi di is 65, it is positive, and it is, so it is minus 100 plus 65, it is minus 35. So x bar is, by that formula, a is 13 plus summation fi di is minus 35 and n is 42, and we have it as, if we add it 42 denominator, then it is 520 plus 26, it is 546 minus 35, it is again 511. So we have the same value. Then if we use the third formula is this one, the step deviation method. So here we find this di, ui we have to find, and ui is di minus, di is xi minus a, so di by h. So it is ui is, so you find ui, so di we have got, so ui is, now you write ui, you can erase this one, ui, then what you have ui here, ui is, so 3 minus 13 by length is 5, length of class, so here 5 observations are here, 1 2 3 4 5, so it is ui, it is minus, so it is minus 2, then minus 1 0 1, this is 2, then fiui will be fiui as a, so minus 8 minus 12 0 7 6, and summation fiui is, summation fiui is minus 7, so x bar is now 13 plus length of interval is 5 into minus 7 by 42, so same value, so minus 5 minus 7 into 5, it is minus 35, so this value, so we have same x bar for all this, and this is our mean of the data. Next is, so I'll erase this everything. This is for mean, we got it as 511 by 42. Next we go for median. So for median we need cumulative frequency, less than cumulative frequency. So less than cumulative frequency is, we find this less than cumulative frequency for this table. Fi less than cumulative frequency we need. So our classes are 1 to 5, so less than means the upper limit is 5 for this class, so we need to find less than 5 value. So we write less than CF here, less than CF, cumulative. CF means cumulative frequency. So less than 5 it is 4, then less than 10. So less than 10 this is included. So 12 plus 4 it is 16. Less than 15 all are included, so it is 32. Less than 20, again 7 is counted here, it is 29 and 39, and it is less than 25, it is 42. So this is n, total frequency. So it's less than CF. And what we need here, n by 2. N by 2, n means 42 here, and this f. So n by 2 first we find. N by 2 is 21, and 21 lies where? Here you see 21 lies here. So it is 16th one, then this is 32th one, so 21 lies here. So we write C as C is the class 11 to 15. So after choosing C, after getting this C, everything is now easy. Then our capital F is now, capital F is preceding C is this class 6 to 10, and this cumulative frequency is 16. This cumulative frequency is 16. Small f is frequency of C, it is 16. Small f is 16. Then length of class is I is 5. So we are getting everything. So I is 5. So I is 5. I is 5. Now calculate the value. So first, so median is now, median is equal to 11 lower limit of C plus n by 2 is 21 minus capital F is 16 divided by small f is 16 is into 5, length of class. So it is 11 plus, it is 25 by 16. So this is median. So median is this. And for mode is maximum frequencies. For mode here C is the class, maximum frequency is 16, so it 11 to 15. F, capital F, small f is 15, 16, then f minus 1 is 12, f1 is 7, and I is 5. So put the value. We have mode is equal to now 11 plus f minus 1, 2f into, so this is f, so it is 16 minus 12 by 2 into 16, it is 32 minus 12 minus 7 into 5. Simplify this one. It is 11 plus this one is 19, then it is 13 I think. This is 13 and here it is 20. So this is mode. So this is the measure of central tendency, all measures of central tendency for this problem, this one. So mean is 511 by 42, median is 11 plus, you simplify the value, and mode is this, and other things you do this like this, same procedure. Find mean for draw less than or give mode for the following distribution. So all same procedure because data is same. Here's class interval is here, classes, this is also class interval is frequency, and these are also this. So, and these are ungrouped data. Ungrouped data we'll discuss it later.